What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So today we've got Mike here and his B8.5 S4. So we're gonna do a little exhaust comparison. So to start with, he has the ECS valved resonated exhaust. I will link that down below for you to check it out and you can buy it as well. And my system is gonna be JH Motorsports V2 test pipes as well as AWE's touring exhaust. I don't have any downpipes. I wish I did. I need resonated ones because this thing's freaking loud. So we're gonna do a little exhaust comparison because I am looking at getting this exhaust. It's gonna be the best option on the market at this time. So let's go ahead and get right to it. So we're gonna go over that. His car is like quieter and all, like the whole time. Mine just rattles and sounds dirty and gross. All right, so I'm gonna have Mike drive by. He's gonna drive by with it valves closed in first gear, and then he's gonna do it again in first gear with the valves open, so we can kind of get a comparison with the big difference on those. Okay, huge difference immediately when you open the valves. That sounds good. What do you think?
You forget how much faster dual pulley is.
Oh, those brakes.
Was that your brake?
Yeah. So Mike has taken some sweet photos of the cars here at this little like pond lake thingy. So after that, I'm really starting to think I need that exhaust because even at idle, this thing's dirty and broken. So huge thank you to Mike for allowing me to film his car and kind of do a good exhaust comparison. A little hint for the next video, my buddy has an S4 identical to mine, except he has fuel pump and a ported blower. So we'll be able to kind of make a fun video comparing those two. But thanks again for watching. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video and it was really informational for you. Again, I linked down below the exhaust for you to purchase if you want to check that out. I'll see you on the next one.